should be. I just heard it triple beat.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna do our second split. This time Remi's gonna go to the right. So we're gonna, there they go. Where are they going? No, you can't go. Where'd they go? Watch, Georgia, look, bye. There they go, good girl. Just gotta wait over here in the shade. So what they're gonna do is they're going to go around this building to the left together. They just turn the corner together. And our target dog, Remi, they're gonna stay together actually on the whole back side of this school building. When they get to the corner, Olive, who we're not looking for, is this time going to the left. And our target dog, Remi, is going to go to the right, and he's gonna follow the tree line all the way to the end, and then kind of bear to the left. Right after that corner, we're gonna make him visible, and then he's gonna make a move. And we will hopefully chase him. Let's just give them a minute. This one's a little bit longer than the last one. There's not a lot of wind today. It's pretty warm, it's in the 80s. Good girl, George is gonna get another drink. We're gonna hydrate you again. Yeah, good girl. Where'd your friends go? Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Okay, let's come on down here. Come on down here. Wait. Twirl it around, lady. Wait. Good girl. I'm gonna scent for Remi again. Take scent. You got it. Good job. Okay, wait. Wait. Are you ready? Search! Where'd they go? Okay, they hugged this building. They hugged this building. Then Olive went to the left, and Remi went to the right. Easy. Good job. Yep, this is exactly what Remi just did. Whoop. Target dog didn't go to the left. Good job, Georgia. Good job. Good work. Good job. Okay. You got him! Good girl, Georgia! Good girl! Good job! Oh, good job! Good boy, Remi! Oh, a kiss! Thank you, Rem! I don't know, does he like little peanut buttery treats?
Oh, I gave him one already.
Okay,
yeah.
good boy!
When he finally was quiet.
He was really quiet.
Oh, I have to keep him moving.